Hello friends, I am Dilip Singh. Uh, After watching this video lecture, if you feel that it was really helpful in order to learn the concepts, then please like and subscribe the video and feel free to comment or query if any. So, welcome to the fifth lecture of tutorial series for web programming. Today we will learn how to group the elements and divide the page into various sections. So we can group the elements using either div element div tag for the division, or we can use span. So div tag basically create the section of the page which is used to group the related elements, whereas span, which can be used in line in order to group a part of the sentence of or a paragraph. These two elements or these two tags basically used with the CSS, which is cascading style sheet, which we will learn later. Okay, so let's see how we can divide the page into various sections in our web page. So here, this is the basic HTML code structure, and the title I have given grouping the elements. Suppose I want to make two different sections in our web page. The one section will hold the heading as well as some paragraph, and the another section again may hold some another heading and some another paragraph. So we have to create two sections in our web page. So let's see how we can create two sections using div tag. So in order to create div element, we'll use opening div tag div and then closing div tag. Okay, so within this opening and closing div tag, whatever elements we will write within this div tag here will form a group and will be treated as one section in the web page. So suppose I want to put one heading, suppose h1, within the group of elements. So h1 closing tag. So first section, so this is the heading, and I want to put one paragraph here. Okay, suppose the content of the paragraph is this is the first section of the page, right? So we can see here we have created one division that hold two elements. One is heading and another one is paragraph. So we basically grouping these two elements within this division. Okay, so now let us create another division, or another section in the web page. So I will copy it and simply after the first division I will paste it. So this is the first division and this is the second division. Okay, second division we will create with the help of div opening tag and then div closing tag. Here again I am having two different heading and paragraph. So I will put here second section and I will change the paragraph content as this is the second section of the page. Okay, so now let's save it and see how it will look in the web page. So in the desktop I'll save into the my web. I'll give that sections.html. Okay, so let us see how it will see in the web browser. So sections.html. Okay, yes, here you can see this is the first section or first division of this HTML page and this is the second division, but here it's not visible that whether it is a first division or the second division. So in order to make it visible we can use CSS, means cascading style sheet rules, with the help of a style attribute that we have learned in the previous lecture, how we can use a style attribute to set a background color. So if I set the background color of first division yellow and the background color of second division red, then it would be clearly visible that yes, the page is divided into two different sections. So let us set the background color using style property of this tag, division tag. So I will put here style equal to, and the value will be the CSS rule background color, and the color will be yellow. Okay, similarly I will give the second division some different color by again using style attribute. So style equal to background color red. Okay, so let us save it and let us see what happened. Yes, now you can see clearly that this is the first division or first section of the web page having two elements, one is heading and another one is a paragraph, and this is the second section, second division of the web page having again two elements, one is a heading, that is second section, and another one is a paragraph. Okay, so this is how we can use div element in order to create the section or division in the web page, and which can be used to group multiple elements within the division. Okay, so now let us see how span can be used. So span basically work inline, so we can use a span within the sentence or within the paragraph in order to apply again some attributes. So let's see, suppose in division 1, in this paragraph, this P, I want to make this first word to be put inside the span. So I'll put here span and here I will close our span tag. Okay, now here the first is now within the span, right? And if I will see here, is there any changes? No, there is no change. First is as it is without any change. So how I can give the change here? Again, using the style attribute, we can see, yes, there is some changes in the properties that we can apply in the part of the sentence, right? So here I will use again style, and now I'm setting the suppose text color, so you know that color, suppose red. Okay, now if I'll save it and refresh the page, you can see this become red, right? So yes, now you can see clearly this become red. So the division basically divide or group the multiple element in the page, whereas a span basically select the section of or the part of the sentence or paragraph, right, in order to apply some attributes values, right? Like here I made this first to be red. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you guys.